Reliable heating and cooling is something we all take for granted until it isn't working properly. Trust the professionals at Sturm Heating and Air Conditioning to provide dependable HVAC repair for life's unexpected little emergencies. Our employee-owned business has been providing reliable new equipment and repair to Spokane and surrounding areas since 1945. At Sturm Heating and Air Conditioning, we are your one-stop service shop. Our goal is to provide customers with quality workmanship that is honest and professional. Our services include air conditioning repair, furnace repair, boiler repair, economic maintenance packages, 24/7 emergency service, and, of course, installation of major name brand products. If you are looking for a dependable air conditioning and heating contractor in Spokane, call the professionals at Sturm Heating and Air Conditioning at 509-325-4505 or visit www.sturmheating.com.